Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination,
We'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
bringing all their friends together.
Find out how things
Work with Darwin and Newts.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Tahi, rua, toru, left. It's heavy. Very heavy. Hi, kia ora, Darwin. Hi, Newts. What are you doing? Hi, kia ora, Henny. We're lifting a pumpkin. It doesn't look like you're lifting a pumpkin. It looks like you're not lifting a pumpkin. That's because it's very heavy. Well, let me help. Thanks, Henny. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Tahi, rua, toru, left! Whoa! This is a big pumpkin. Did you grow it yourself, Darwin? Yes, I grew it from one of last year's pumpkin seeds. Look, te reo. I put the seed in some soil in the ground. And you watered it lots? Yes, and I kept watering it lots until one day a little plant popped up from the seed. And you watered it more? Until a little pumpkin grew from the plant. And then you watered it some more. And the little pumpkin grew into a great big pumpkin. And now we're going to make it into a Halloween jack-o'-lantern for the treehouse. Let's get it up there. A little to the left. Oh, no, to the right. Oh, not too fast. Watch the bump. What bump? Whoa! That bump. Oh, no. The wheels come off. We'll fix it later. Right now, we need to get the pumpkin from here up to there. I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, the pumpkin getter-upper. If we put the pumpkin on this end and push down on the other end, the pumpkin will go up. Like a seesaw! Hop on, Newts. You're not heavy enough. Wait. And up it goes. Whoa! Yay! Oh! Whoa! Newts! I'm all right. That was fun. Hurry! Kia Tere! After it! Whoa! Kia! Whoa! The trike! I'm sure this idea will work. Please put the pumpkin on the seesaw. I'll drop this on the other end. The pumpkin will shoot straight up to here and land beside me. I'm not sure. What if it breaks the pumpkin? We can experiment with something else first. Like another barrel. All right. Let's pretend this is the pumpkin. Come to me, pumpkin. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Where did it go? Oh, so we won't try that with the pumpkin. There must be some way of getting it up there. We pull it up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pull! Pull, pull, pull! Again! Pull! It's too hard to get over this rail. Wait a minute! Kia ora, Wapiti. We didn't see you there. Perfect timing. Can we please use your antlers?
Kia ora. Sure, Darwin.
I see what you're doing. You pull down and the pumpkin goes up. Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, pull! What happened? I don't know. Let's science this. The branch is rough, not smooth. That makes it hard to move the rope against it. If only instead of the branch, the rope went round something that was smooth. Or something that could move. Like a wheel. Then, when the rope went down on one side, the wheel would turn and the rope would go up on the other side.
I think you've got the answer, Darwin. And there's a special name for a wheel that does that. It's called a pulley.
Pulley? Interesting. And here's our pulley here. Aha! There. Good work. Cup high. We'd better test it. Yes! It moves! Great! Let's pull this pumpkin up. Everyone ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pull! 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 We did it! Miharo! Awesome! Happy Halloween, everyone! Our Halloween pumpkin looks great! And we got it up here, all thanks to a pulley. A pumpkin pulley. And look who's coming up now! Thanks to our pumpkin pulley! Thanks, Wapiti!